Damn! That's crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy. That ain't supposed to happen. He doesn't usually see. Nah, bro, I'm done with that. I'm pretty sure I can get 2 RP today. I think it's my friend hasn't played for a bit, so he can't get as much. Wait, no, he can get more. I can't get as much. It's very loud in here. Wait. Let me just for now while I do this. Oh damn! I literally just got it after I said that. I think I can get 2 though, so I'm just gonna see.
I am very smart.
I didn't play it yesterday afternoon.
I took a bunch of the
Oh, cool. Usually that means I can't get any more when I start getting these. But we'll see. Okay, I think that's everything. I don't think I could get a second one, which is dumb, but it should be fine. Wait. I have a better idea. Can I?
So small, I think I need you to help me bring these down.
Okay, no, that's trash. I'm coming back now. Oh, it's so annoying getting tiny. I mean, I already am, but no. There we go, I'm back. I am back.
No, I won't.
Skibbity, skibbity. What?
Give me the micro broccoli back. Bruh. I can just do this.
You can get them, right? Though.
No, because apparently I didn't have 1. I only had, I had 0 RP instead of 1. I thought I had 1.
Damn it.
Here's some good content for you. How small do you think I can get?
Oh my god, no, you've already done this. Oh, did you know that if you get really, really small, then you can morph into, well, basically morph into objects? Because if you get small enough...
Josh, if I ever can't, please, could you bring them down for me?
Okay.
I'm still good, I think.
Bring that one. Yeah, I already need help. Bring. Yes. 2 more.
Bro, the hell? What the hell?
One more.
Bro, you sound like those, like, little kids on YouTube short. Oh, damn! I can't see you from there. From literally, like, here, I can't see you. That's crazy. There's no more. I was gonna give you more. Bro, what the hell? What the hell?
Dude, it's like you're trapping me in the hook shot thing.
Bro, I can't really hear you. 1 sec.
Hold on, I think I can... Wait, hold on. Do you see the bag? 1 second. I can't even reach the bag.
Bro, you morphed into an object! That's what I mean! You can morph into objects like that. Like, yeah, you can basically fly when you're morphed into an object. It's actually pretty cool.
No!
No!
It didn't last for that long.
Yeah, so basically, when you're morphed into an object like that, you have to get really small and then pick up an object. You can fly. There's a glitch where you can actually fly. But if you get really, really big, you can actually clip out of the world border up all the way up there.
Should we end the video here?
Nah,
Or
bro.
no?
I need my zipline gun and zipline rope. Wait. Come into the RP place. Whatever it's called.
Hear you and the weird.
the VR place, like where you get stuff.
Yeah.
I think it's from Umbrella.
I'm here, boy!
Bro, what the hell? Yeah, so we need to go to Umbrella, which shouldn't be too bad.
Yeah, I have to buy the umbrella. And if I had one like left over.
Wait, come up to Umbrella. Come up to Umbrella.
All the way up there? No, like wonders.
Bro, you can just go on the zipline thing, remember? Bro, go on the zipline thing! Not that one, the other one!
What other one?
This one, the umbrella one, the one without an umbrella! Sheesh, Brody. Sheesh. Zipline going right there. I'm probably not gonna get that, but I might get the saddle. Bro, just come up here using the zipline thing. Sheesh. Are you kidding me? You're actually... You didn't bring a grappler.
No, I didn't.
Just take this top one here. Okay. Now... Bro, I'm just gonna go get it.
Fair. I took it.